Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can restore your mobile Vivo phone in seconds. So in here, to activate the restore, you need to activate or use the Vivo Cloud. So first thing that you need to do is go to the settings on your Vivo phone and then just scroll down until you find the system options, this one, and there will be this option backup and restore, so click on that. So if you want to activate the backup and restore, you need to activate the Vivo Cloud. So let's click on backup and restore. So in here you can just click on agree, and after that this is the Vivo Cloud. So you can go to the settings, you can check for updates in here. So if you have you use a previous phones, like you want to restore the data on your previous phone, you need to activate the Vivo Cloud. So after that you can go to this backup and restore, and after that you can restore the data in here. And you can see here in the backup and restore setting there is automatic restore. So when you're installing an app, restore backup settings and data, you need to activate this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.